Navigating the chaos of modern business can be like running a marathon blindfolded. We're constantly juggling tasks, trying to stay ahead of the game, and sometimes it feels like we're stuck in a time warp with outdated tools. That's where Pipedrive comes in. It's a turbocharged CRM that always has your back. In this week's rundown, we're spilling the beans on the top 5 game-changing features of Pipedrive that can automate tedious tasks and keep you focused razor sharp on what matters: your customers and your bank account. Starting the countdown at number 1 is Pipedrive's Visual Pipeline feature. Helping users gain a transparent view of the buyer's journey, this tool provides clear visibility into the customer's current stage, minimizing the risk of bottlenecks and overlooked sales opportunities. Additionally, Pipedrive's Visual Pipeline incorporates goal setting and activity tracking, empowering you to create reports and optimize your CRM process. With a clear visual interface, you gain a comprehensive view of your sales cycle, enhancing sales performance. Next up at 2 is Pipedrive's Web Chat feature. Engage effectively with website visitors using chatbots and live chat tools, maximizing lead generation and customer support. Users can design a 24/7 active chatbot with preset questions and answers, creating an ever-present team member instantly connecting with visitors. This feature enables sales reps to take over conversations initiated by chatbots when they become available. Chatbots can also be customized based on appearance, questions, and responses, tailoring interactions based on web pages and visitor responses. If you like the sound of this feature, head over to TechRepublic.com to learn more about Pipedrive's web chat capabilities. Pipedrive's lead qualification and scoring tools empower sales reps to identify leads with the highest potential for conversion. The lead scoring software qualifies and categorizes incoming leads using preset criteria and key attributions. Enhanced by Pipedrive's custom pipelines and fields, this feature ensures that high-intent leads are directed to the most suitable sales representative. Claiming the number 4 spot is communication tracking. This Pipedrive feature offers a centralized dashboard to oversee all client engagements. Users can navigate through emails, responses, and schedule meetings while planning for future communications. This tool facilitates consistent communication with prospects, enabling better engagement, trust building, and brand awareness. Last but certainly not least is Pipedrive's CRM Marketplace. The Marketplace integrates essential tools, simplifying the management of your entire revenue cycle. Explore smart recommendations for growth-oriented tools and discover options that suit your business needs. If that wasn't enough, the Marketplace offers a spectrum of tools for task prioritization, performance tracking, and revenue prediction, enabling automation across the entire revenue lifecycle to fuel business growth. That wraps up the top 5 Pipedrive features that can help your business automate workflows so you can stay focused on customer relationships and closing deals. If you'd like to learn more, head over to TechRepublic.com and don't forget to click the sign up link for Pipedrive in the description. Till next time, thanks for watching.